Hello students, how are you all? I hope that all of you are fine and doing very well at home. Please keep studying and stay safe. Okay, in last video we have discussed exercise 1C and question number 1, 2 and 3. Today we are going to discuss question number 4, 5 and 7. And with this we will end up with our exercise 1C. Okay, now let us see what is the question number 4. It has been written here, simplify the expression. We have to simplify these two expressions given here. Okay, there are various operations like multiplication, addition, okay, subtraction is also there. So to simplify this, we use a rule that is known as BODMAS rule. Okay, this is BODMAS rule. Okay, what we mean by B? The B stands for bracket. Okay, B stands for bracket. Okay, O stands for off. Off also means multiply. Okay, but there is a difference, slight difference. Now again, D means division. Okay, M means multiplication. Okay, and A means addition, and the last one S means subtraction. Okay, so bracket will be operated first, then off will be operated, then division will be operated, then multiplication will be operated, then addition, then subtraction. So if all the operations are there, so the order for choosing the priority is that we will choose bracket first, then off, then division, multiply, addition and subtraction. This is the priority order, okay, while operating in this. So let us see the first one. First one is what? It is minus 3 into 6 plus 2 divide minus 8. Okay, so here the first one to be operated is bracket. So this one is in bracket, it is also in bracket. So पहले आप लोग क्या ऑपरेट करोगे? ब्रैकेट वाले को सॉल्व करोगे. Okay, B. Now again, inside the bracket there are various sign. We have to, there is multiplication and addition is also there. So what comes first? Multiplication comes first before addition. Okay, so we will multiply first. What are the two numbers to be multiplied? That is minus 3 into 6. 6 into 3, it is 18 and minus sign. Okay. Now again, here it is plus 2. So we have done the multiplication first. Now again, in this bracket, it is minus 18 plus 2. Okay. Now minus 18 plus 2, what it will be? It will be minus 16. Okay. So there is also a sign, that is division sign, and division with minus 8. Okay. Now only division is left also. So minus 16 divided by minus 8. Okay, I have told you there are two negative signs. 2 is a even number, so it will be positive. So sign will be positive. Now divide 16 by 8, it will be 2 with a positive sign. No need to denote any sign before it, because positive, then if there is no sign, it will be always positive. So the answer is 2. Let us see the second one. Now let us simplify the second one using the same rule. This is BODMAS rule. Okay, so here there are two brackets. So just operate first the sum that is inside the bracket. So let us write it out. It is minus 5. Again, this is the bracket. So we need to operate the bracket first. Okay, here inside the bracket, as we can see that there are two signs. First is division and there is multiplication. So according to this rule, division comes first. So we have to operate the division first. Here in division, 6 is divided by 3. 3 to the 6. Okay, 6 divided by 3 gives us 2. And 2 is multiply with minus 2. Okay. Again, here it is the sign of minus. We have to operate the bracket first. this bracket and this one also. Okay, now this is 9 minus, and there is multiplication also. So multiplication come first before subtraction. So subtraction will come later on. So we will operate the multiplication. Here is minus 5, it is 2. 2 into 5, it will be 10, and there will be a negative sign also. Because there is only one negative and one is odd. So minus 10. Minus 5 into 2, minus 10. Okay, let us solve again little further. Okay, now this is the bracket. There are two brackets left also there. 2 into minus 2. 2 to the 4 and only one minus, so minus 4. So it will be, here is a minus 5 is also outside the bracket. If it is outside the bracket and there is no sign between both, so it will be multiplication. So minus 5 multiply 2 into 2 minus 4 हो जाएगा ये. Okay. Again let us see here minus. Okay. 9 minus minus 10. I have told you if there is any sign before the bracket, just outside the bracket. Here is minus, here is minus. There are two minus being multiplied. Okay, there are two negative sign being multiplied. 2 minus, so it will be positive. So it is 9 minus minus, it is plus. 9 plus 10. So let us again, here bracket, you can always use bracket also. So minus 5 into minus 4, there are two negative, it will be positive. And 5 into 4, it will be 20. 5 4s are 20. Okay. There are two negative, so it will be lead towards positive. Okay. This is the minus sign. 9 plus 10, it will be 19. So 20 minus 19, it will be 1. That's very easy. Let us see the next question. This is the fifth question. What is being asked? Okay, this is a numerical. Here it is given that temperature at 4 p.m. on any of the day is 17 degrees Celsius, and on the same day the temperature decreased. At 10 p.m. the temperature recorded was minus 7 degree Celsius. If the temperature being decreased by the same amount every hour, so what is the temperature being decreased at? What is the rate, okay, of decreasing of temperature every hour? So let us write how much time is there and how much temperature that has been decreased. So temperature decreased by what we will do? Final temperature minus initial temperature. Okay, final temperature minus initial temperature. What is that? Final is minus 7 degrees Celsius minus initial is 17 degree Celsius. Okay, minus 7 minus 17. minus 7 minus 17. This is not being multiplied. मल्टीप्लाई नहीं हो रहा है. ये क्या हो रहा है? minus 7 minus 17. दोनों माइनस में है और माइनस जाएगा और माइनस जो है हमारा माइनस में नंबर बढ़ेगा. minus 7 minus 17, it will be minus 24 degree Celsius. This is the decrease in temperature. Okay. Now time taken for decrease of temperature, from 17 degree Celsius to minus 7 degree Celsius. How much time is taken? You can see at 4 p.m. to 10 p.m. How much time is there? From 4 to 10, 6 hours is taken. So what is the rate? So I will write rate of decrease of temperature per hour. Okay. So what we will do? We will write decrease in temperature upon time taken. Okay, upon time taken. So what is the decrease? Decrease is minus 24 degrees Celsius upon the time is 6 hour. So it will be, okay, it will be minus 4 degrees Celsius. It is hour. Okay, minus 4 degrees Celsius per hour. Okay, so we can write the final answer. The rate of decrease of temperature per hour is equal to 4 degrees Celsius. So this is the answer. Okay, this is the final question for today. This is the 7th question. So let us see what is this. It is given that in 15 years there is an island which changes its shape every year, and every year it changes its length by the same amount. In 15 years it has changed through a length of minus 255 centimeter. So minus means that the length is decreasing. Okay, minus denote that the length is decreasing every year. So what is the rate? In the previous question also we have seen that when we talk about rate, we divide the quantity by the time, okay, given. So here we will divide the change in length upon the years, okay, or number of year. We can also write number of year. Okay, so what is the change? The change is minus 255 divided upon number of year. It is given that 15 year is there. So minus 255 divided by 15, only one negative sign, so it will be negative, and divide 255 by 15, it will be 17. So minus 17 centimeter per year. This is the answer. So we can write also rate of change in length per year is equal to minus 17 centimeter. So this was all for today. Take care and keep studying.